Today we're going to be learning how to start a new project using the Bid Assistant. First thing we're going to do is click on the New Project button, and it'll bring up our project information prompt. At this point, we can fill out any one of these information boxes that we want. Project name, we can name it Electrical Project Number 1. Project type, you can select from the list of dropdowns. If your project is something that doesn't fit, you can choose Other and select a custom title. In this case, we're just going to call it a house. Job number is issued by your company, depending on how you track your job numbers. General contractor is where you can place the names of the companies you will be bidding to. So, for example, we'll be using GC1, Company ABC, and GC4. The bid date is the due date of your bid. For this example, we're going to use June 26th of 2026. Job start date is when the project actually starts. In our case, our project is not going to start until 2027, so we'll select the start date as March 12th, 2027. The square footage is the square footage of the project. For us, we're going to choose a random square foot number. Ceiling height can be changed and tracked through each floor if you want. For example, main floor can be 25 feet, floors 2 through 10 can be 13 feet, and parking garage will be 10 feet. Project length is how long the project is going to take to construct in days or months. RFI due date is for your own tracking, so you know when to submit your RFIs by. We're going to choose June 12th, 2026. The type of contract is simply for you to track as well. This can be a GMP, a bid, a budget, or whatever you choose. For us, we're going to choose bid for this particular example. Lastly is liquidated damages. If there are liquidated damages, you want to hit the Yes button. You want to input what the cost is. In ours, we're going to say it's $500 per day, where it's found, so we're going to put in a random 01 division, and a page number if you so choose. Once you hit Save Changes, everything is displayed up top of you, including the name of your project in the header. If you need to change anything or edit, you can do so using the Edit button. As an example, we're going to change the project type to commercial, hit Save Changes, and everything is updated up top. That's how you begin a new project using the Bid Assistant.